with me and you will see some neat tips and tricks to improve KPI metrics of cost per hire. Let me inspire. Emails can be hacked nowadays, that's a fact. ID under attack, might be tough to get back. Reference check request, that's right, you guessed. Plain text email ignores a crucial detail. Data unencrypted, hackers unrestricted, protecting date of birth. Come on now, what's that word? Leak social security, say bye-bye identity. Media made aware, creates quite a scare. Negative press over the mess, we leaked inadvertently. We did it so accidentally, but who is to blame? The hackers you claim, but it's your responsibility. One week later, still no data. Chase up referee respectfully. Don't be stressed, it's being processed. Another week passes, concern the masses. Call back, get told to wait while they investigate. Now I'm getting angry, I'm sure you would agree. We need a rethink on how we link all our required data sooner rather than later. Reference check delays, at work I'm paid for days. This is so unfair, but don't despair. HireFaster software is here. Slides in the background, reference requests turn around. These numbers are atrocious, it's eating into your bonus. Reference chase ups appear next, he seems quite perplexed. Team member says HireFaster is the answer. For candidates it's free, no cost for referees. Your privacy and security are priority. All data is encrypted, secure, logged, and restricted. Factor authentication, store ID, address, bank details, and qualifications. Enter 5 years of a career. Verify once, that's crystal clear. Use the latest tech for real-time reference checks. Let's downsize the team. I hear muffled screams, but one of our goals is internal controls, permissions, and access. Let you address reports and audit trail. Provide all the detail. Rogue staff, don't worry, kill switch in a hurry. Mitigate fraud, that's your reward. This sounds wonderful, but if I'm truthful, I'm fond of my team who would like to switch stream. Payroll sourcing, each need resourcing. Let us as cost savings boost earnings and ratings. Manual hours 4 to 8, that's per candidate. And while we wait, start date delay. There is no